Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO for the year. Yes, today I'm so happy to see you and I want to show you something. How to install Asus Zenfone 6 wallpapers directly on your phone. Wow, this is my beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 8. As you see, it's so wonderful, it's so beautiful, nice, and it's good. This is also one new A. Okay, to do this, you need to do this. Go under this video to download this beautiful wallpaper stock. Okay, Asus Zenfone 6 wallpaper stock. Under this video, I will link to. Okay, now look at that before. This is my phone. And you can see one new A. This is the theme that I have installed. Wow, this is so nice and so great. It's amazing. Wow, I like it. I see, so wonderful, so beautiful. What are you doing? Unlock your beautiful phone like that. Amazing. On page, look at this wallpaper. Not bad. And when you download your beautiful wallpaper under this video, you need absolutely to extract this. Okay, if you are extract this, put this wallpaper directly on a folder. Okay, and copy directly on your phone. And easier, as you see, this is Asus Zenfone 6 stock wallpapers. You can do it to open, and as you see, all of Asus wallpapers are here. Look at the first, the second, the next. Again, it's not finished. Wow, look at that. It's amazing. Wow, look at that. I like it. Again. Ooh, so nice. And so great. What do you think? Wow, I like it. Ooh, more colors. Wow, look at that. Ooh, so great. Wow, this is 4K video that I'm recording with my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus with footage camera application. Look at that. Wonderful. Okay, there are many wallpapers here for you. Look at all of this. Wow. Woo, look at that. This is wow, the wallpaper that you can see, this for your lock screen and this for your home screen, and this for what? You can make your choice. Look at that. Again. Ooh, it's nice. It's so beautiful. What do you think about this? Wow, all of this wallpaper are here for you. Now, make your choice and get ready for this. Let me put this directly on my screen. Okay, the first for my beautiful lock screen. Okay, like that. Wow, this is so nice. Okay, set as wallpaper. The second, this like my home screen, like that. Look at that. Wow, get ready. Set as wallpaper. And now get ready to test this. Home page. Woo! It's so nice and it's so beautiful. After service, have you seen? Wow, download this stock under this video. The link is here. The link too. Download all of this. Okay, this is so nice and so great. Look at that. Oh, look at on my lock screen. It's amazing. It's amazing, bro. It's so great. It's so great, and it's so nice. What do you think? I like it. I like it. I like it, bro. I like it. I like all of this. Wow. It's so very nice. So very nice. Wow. Beautiful. Okay. Wonderful. I see is working. Is great. Is amazing. Is so practical. Is so cool. Is wow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and get ready for more videos on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. That it is here and it's cool with this beautiful wallpaper. God bless you. Let's go for the next video.